My daily routine, a simple life story. Every day, I follow a simple routine. I like to have structure in my life because it helps me feel organized and calm. Let me tell you about my daily routine in detail. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. on weekdays. Sometimes I wake up before my alarm, but usually the alarm clock rings and I open my eyes slowly. I lie in bed for a few minutes, thinking about the day. Then, I stretch my arms and legs and sit up. I take a deep breath and get out of bed. I always make my bed after I get up. A tidy bed makes my room look clean and helps me start the day with a clear mind. I walk to the bathroom and turn on the light. First, I wash my face with cold water to feel fresh. Then, I brush my teeth with a minty toothpaste. I enjoy the fresh feeling in my mouth after brushing. After that, I take a shower. I use warm water, shampoo for my hair, and soap for my body. A shower in the morning helps me feel awake and clean. Sometimes, I also do some light stretching or simple exercises like jumping jacks or yoga. It helps my body feel active and my mind feel ready for the day. If I have enough time, I do 5 to 10 minutes of breathing or meditation to relax and focus. After showering, I dry my body and choose my clothes. If I'm working from home, I wear comfortable clothes like sweatpants and a t-shirt. If I'm going to the office or meeting someone, I wear more formal clothes like a shirt and trousers. I always check the weather before choosing my clothes. Next, I go to the kitchen. I prepare breakfast for myself. I like to eat healthy food in the morning. I usually eat a slice of bread with butter, cheese, or jam. Sometimes I make scrambled eggs or an omelette with vegetables. I also eat fruits like a banana or an apple. For drinks, I choose between tea or coffee. I prefer coffee because it helps me wake up. I sit at the table and enjoy my breakfast slowly. I don't like to rush in the morning. After breakfast, I check my schedule or to-do list for the day. I write down my tasks in a notebook or use an app on my phone. Then, I prepare my bag if I need to go outside. I put my laptop, notebook, water bottle, and snacks in my bag. I also check if I have my keys, wallet, and phone. At around 8:30 a.m., I leave the house. I usually take the bus or walk to the office. If the weather is good, I enjoy walking. On the way, I listen to music or podcasts. Sometimes I listen to English podcasts to improve my listening skills. It's a good time to learn something new. When I arrive at the office, I greet my coworkers and go to my desk. I turn on my computer and start working. I check my emails, join meetings, and work on different tasks. I enjoy solving problems and working as a team. At 10:30 a.m., I usually take a short break. I drink water or tea and walk around a little to rest my eyes. At 12:30 p.m., I have lunch. Sometimes I bring lunch from home, like rice, vegetables, or a sandwich. Other times, I eat with my coworkers at a nearby restaurant. We talk, laugh, and enjoy our food together. After lunch, I go for a short walk outside or sit in the sun if it's nice outside. In the afternoon, I continue working. It's sometimes hard to stay focused, especially after lunch. To stay awake, I drink more coffee or eat a small snack like nuts or fruit. I try to finish all my important tasks before 5 p.m. At the end of the day, I clean my desk and write a short note about what I need to do tomorrow. When I finish work, I go home. If I feel tired, I rest on the sofa for a while. If I have energy, I go for a walk or exercise. I like to walk in the park near my home. I listen to the birds and enjoy the fresh air. Sometimes I take pictures of the sky or flowers. Walking helps me relax after a busy day. In the evening, I prepare dinner. I enjoy cooking, especially simple meals like pasta, soup, or grilled vegetables. Sometimes I try new recipes. I also prepare a salad or yogurt with garlic. I usually eat dinner at 7 p.m. I sit at the table and sometimes watch a TV series or a movie while I eat. If I eat with family or friends, we talk about our day and share stories. After dinner, I clean the dishes and wipe the kitchen counters. Then I feed my cat, Max. He waits near his bowl and meows loudly if I'm late. After feeding him, I water my plants and check if they need more sunlight or care. In the evening, I like to do activities that help me relax. Sometimes I read a book, especially books in English to improve my vocabulary. I also enjoy writing in my journal. I write about my day, my thoughts, and my goals. Writing helps me understand my feelings. If I feel lazy, I just lie on the sofa and watch funny videos or listen to calming music. Sometimes I study English in the evening. I watch English videos, read simple stories, or write short texts. I try to learn 5 to 10 new words every day. I also practice speaking in front of a mirror or record myself. It helps me speak more clearly and confidently. At 10 p.m., I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face again, and change into my pajamas. I turn off the bright lights and use a small lamp. Before sleeping, I sit in bed and think about the good things in my day. I also plan what I want to do tomorrow. At 10:30 p.m., I go to bed. I lie down, close my eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Sometimes I fall asleep quickly. Sometimes it takes time. But I always try to sleep at least 7 or 8 hours. A good sleep helps me feel happy and strong for the next day. On weekends, my routine is a bit different. I wake up later, around 8:30 or 9 a.m. I still brush my teeth and take a shower, but I eat a bigger breakfast with pancakes or toast. I sometimes clean the house or do laundry. In the afternoon, I go shopping, visit friends, or go to the cinema. On Sundays, I visit my parents or have lunch with relatives. Weekends are a great time to relax, do hobbies, and enjoy life. I sometimes paint, write poems, or play games on my phone. I also take longer walks and spend more time outside. This is my daily routine. It is simple, but it helps me feel healthy, focused, and happy. I like to follow my routine because it gives me balance and peace in my life.